Hey guys, I hope you all are enjoying these little short videos for the 100 Things projects, because there's some long ones coming. Anyway, number 22. You tired of wood signs yet? Okay, I'll give you a break. Number 22. Wax seals. I have been making wax seals up the wazoozas. Wax seals, and more wax seals. All kinds of wax seals. So this is going to be number 22. I actually did this one inside of a coin thingamajiggy so that I could put it on a dangle. But I didn't like the way this came out, so I have to go back over that and then I have to do this side. So yeah, there's an idea for you. You put wax seals inside these little coin doomajiggies. Most of these in this bag here are my mess-ups. Unless they're in a plastic bag, then they're good. But what I do with my mess-ups is I remelt them and reuse them. You can't see the design in them once it's melted. So don't throw them away if you mess them up. Reuse them. All you have to do is just remelt them again, which I don't really care for that little cup. I'm looking for a better alternative. And some of these, especially on the dragonflies, the size got too big. And some of them are just misshaped. So a lot of these will be melted and redone. But there's number 22, and it's not a wood sign. Are you happy about that? Okay, let me show you number 23. Number 23. Broken Crayon Still Color Beautiful. And I really like this one. I really do. So, the same wood with the twine holder. Number 23. I did an RV living. 24. No Man Life. 25. Beach House. Number 26. Hey, I am past the fourth of the way. Welcome to our house on wheels, which is for RV living. And number 27. I'm going to be doing a lot of these. Well, I might. Depends on how well it sells. Because these boards are pretty expensive. They've got wooden bead holder on it. See? I really like this. As Farm Fresh Milk Dairy Farm, number 4, established 1845. I have some more sanding to do on this. This one is not sealed yet. I don't know why, I just haven't come back to finishing it. So, what number am I on? I always count. Oh no! I'll figure it out. Anyway, here's some more 100 Things projects.